Sairam dear children, today I am teaching nouns, gender, class 2, English language, chapter 9, part 4. In part 3, I have explained to you about nouns, gender, masculine and feminine gender like brother, sister, emperor, empress, hero, heroine, lion, lioness, nephew, niece with picture. Okay. In this part, let us have explanation of neuter gender, a noun that denotes a non-living thing belongs to the neuter gender. So, for example, book. Book is a non-living thing, belongs to the neuter gender. Understood? So, chair. Chair is also a non-living thing, belongs to the neuter gender. So, bag. Bag is a non-living thing. It belongs to the neuter gender. Whenever you see a non-living thing, you should get the idea that it belongs to the neuter gender. Okay. Chalk piece. You all saw in classrooms, no? So, that is a non-living thing and it belongs to the neuter gender. Blackboard is also a non-living thing and belongs to the neuter gender. School building is a non-living thing, no? So, it also belongs to the neuter gender. Classroom, that room is also a non-living thing and it belongs to the neuter gender. Box, empty box, it belongs to the neuter gender because it is a non-living thing. Okay. Car is also a non-living thing and it belongs to the neuter gender. Understood? And now we have common gender, a noun that denotes both a male or a female, belongs to the common gender. Here, for example, parent. Parent is belong to the common gender because whenever we say call your parent, you may call your mother or father, but we give a common name called parent. Understood? That is why we call it as common gender. Understood? So, next we have friend. So, friend also belong to the common gender. You may call it as friend, isn't it? So, it comes under common gender. Student also comes under common gender. Okay. Teacher, there may be a male teacher or a female teacher, but we call it as teacher. So, that is comes under common gender. Doctor, here also for both a male or a female belongs to the common gender. Understood? Child, that also comes under common gender. Okay. So, summary, neuter gender, book, for example, common gender, for example, doctor. Okay, for both male and female doctor, we call it as doctor. Understood? And some other examples. Okay. So, question section, complete the following. First one, give some examples of neuter gender Second question, give some examples of common gender. You have to write the examples. Okay. So third question, write true or false. You have to write true or false here. So first one, the word book is common gender. True or false? You have to write down. The word child is neuter gender. You have to write true or false. The word car is neuter gender. You have to write true or false here. Understood, children? Write down all these questions in your classwork. Find out the answer in this video and write down in your classwork. Understood? I hope you all understood this video.